Hey everybody, hope you're good. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for watching another video. So today I have my Glossybox for the month of August, and I got variation 2. So I'm just gonna see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like for August. I quite like the box. Yeah, it's quite nice. I think they're celebrating a birthday or something. I'm pretty sure I saw something online. Yeah, so this is the birthday edition. So it says, let's celebrate. It's our 9th birthday and we're celebrating in true glossy style with fabulous products and plenty of surprises. We're thrilled that you're here to celebrate with us, and as a special thank you, we're bringing you nothing but glitzy, vibrant luxury with our incredible birthday edition and its amazing bow. Better yet, you're about to become the first to try our newly launched Glossybox skincare range. Okay, as we've nestled our indulgent eye boost cream inside this extra special edition. Let's unwrap your treats and get this party started. So this is everything that we could possibly get for the month of August. And the first thing is the Glossybox skincare, which is the eye cream. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just put it on this screen. So this is what it looks like. So it says, proudly introducing the Luscious Eye Cream from our newly launched Glossybox skincare range. More on that in this magazine. You're the first to try this product and it's our special gift to you. Its indulgent formula blends elderflower, eye bright and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles and refresh tired looking eyes. We hope you love it as much as we do. So the RRP is £20 and it says the exclusive subscriber price is £16. So if you don't already know, by the way, I forgot to say, so Glossybox is a subscription box. So if you've never seen any of these Glossybox videos, it is a subscription service where you pay a certain amount every month or yearly or quarterly, and you get a box every month. So in terms of the payment, you can pay in chunks, either every month or quarterly or yearly, but you get a box every single month. And the further out you pay, the cheaper it is. So yeah, Glossybox is one of the more decent boxes out of the ones I've tried. It's a lot more cute. The products you get in Glossybox are way better than, say, Birchbox or sometimes even Look Fantastic. I haven't had Look Fantastic in ages, so I can't really say whether or not they've changed. But I did used to have both Look Fantastic and Glossybox, and I decided to change stick to my Glossybox. But sometimes, you know, it's a bit hit and miss on some months, so it just depends on your luck. So I just want to see what this looks like. I'm not in need of an eye cream quite yet, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this. But this is what it looks like, and it's in this pastel pink packaging, and you get 15 ml of product, which is quite good. It's a standard amount. So yeah, if you do suffer from dark circles, you definitely be more inclined to try, but I don't have dark circles yet, so I'll still keep this for a while and see how I get on. So next we have something from Huda Beauty. So this is one of her Demi matte cream lipsticks, and that's quite exciting actually, because I don't think I've ever tried it. No, I've never tried anything from Huda Beauty, and it's quite a pricey product. Actually, no, I lie. I think, was it the last box or the box before was a Huda Beauty eyeliner, which was really good. It was really, really black. So yeah, this is the second thing from Huda Beauty. And it says, it wouldn't be a glossy party without Huda Beauty. This creamy lippie boasts a luscious, highly pigmented formula that glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of color to your pout. It then dries to a satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips that enhances their natural shape. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick, then blot it with a tissue for a beautifully stained effect. Okay, so it's more of a satin finish type of liquid lipstick basically. It's not a drying matte liquid lipstick, which is what I thought it was for some reason, even though it says Demi matte. Yeah, so the RRP for this is £18 and you can get it from Boots, it says. So yeah, this is a pretty decent color on my lips. I would definitely need a lip liner for this for sure. But yeah, there's nothing a lip liner won't fix, so I'll definitely, let me try it on my hands. I've got gloss on my lips, so that's going to affect how it wears, but it has. Oh gosh, it's hard to place the scent, so I'm not sure. It's hard to place the scent. I keep getting it all over. Okay, so you might not actually, in fact you won't know this. Okay, so I actually finished recording this whole video before I realized that it had actually stopped recording. So I realized I was actually talking about the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, Demi matte lipstick, so I will pick up from there. But yeah, I've actually finished filming this whole thing, but anyway, things happen. So I ended up swatching the Demi matte lipstick on my hands, but it's rubbed off now, so I will just swatch it again just so you can see. So this is what it looks like. I quite like the shade. It's definitely something I would need a lip liner for. So next we have the HD Complexion Sponge, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to take it out of the box again. And like I said before, this is soft, but it's not the softest sponge I've ever used. Yeah, I'll definitely say that. It's not the softest sponge I've ever used, but it's not the most dense either. So I think it would soften up quite a bit once it is wet. So it says, to celebrate our birthday, we're giving you the tools to create the ultimate party look. A 3-in-1 makeup sponge. Perfect for applying foundation, concealer, contour, and highlighter. You can use the rounded side to cover large areas, the flat side to cover imperfections, and the tip to reach smaller areas with precision. Simply dampen to apply liquids, or use dry to apply creams and powders. RRP $5.49. So yeah, it looks decent enough, and it's quite a good size as well. Next we have a product from Molton Brown, and this is their Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. So right off the bat I will say rose and rhubarb are both like my least favorite scents. I do use like rose scented products in my skincare routine for my face because, you know, rose has a lot of benefits to it, but if I had to avoid it for my body I would. And rhubarb I'm not a fan of, so this would go to a really good home, I think. Yeah, it's not something I would personally use, and it's not a scent I would pick. So this is what it looks like. It's quite a good size as well, actually. You get 100 ml in this little container, and that works out to be £7.33. The full size is £22, and that is 300 ml. So it says, we want you to feel like royalty on our birthday. British Royal warrant holders, Molton Brown's indulgent shower gel boasts a luscious blend of rhubarb leaf, rose, and zesty grapefruit that smells divine. Trust us, this luxurious formula will leave your skin feeling cleansed and irresistibly fragranced. Apply onto wet skin using a loofah, or pour into a warm bath and enjoy a relaxing soak. So it's available at moltonbrown.co.uk. And lastly, we have a product from Steve Laurent, and this is what the packaging looks like. We have had a few products from Steve Laurent before, and the majority of them are actually really good packaging. Yeah, the aesthetic of the brand is really nice. So this is the Vulgar Lip Liner, and it says, throughout our birthday month, we want you to enjoy yourself without having to worry about touching up your makeup. Luckily, this magical lip liner is completely waterproof, so it doesn't transfer or bleed throughout the day. Instead, it stays put for up to 7 hours. Use it to shape and define your lip contour, then fill in your pouts with a slightly lighter shade of lipstick. RRP £12.09, and it's available at stevelaurent.com. Okay, so I've already opened the packaging, and it is more of a taupey brown. taupey, purpley, mauvey nude. But anywho, this is what it looks like next to Huda Beauty. So you can see it's a lot more muted. And I don't mind colors like this. It kind of blends in with the natural lip color, my natural lip color anyway, because I've got quite cool toned lips anyway. So I was hoping I'd be able to use the two together. If the color was closer to what's on this actual pencil packaging, it would have been better. If it was even a deeper, more chocolatey brown, it would have been perfect. But yeah, I can use both. It's just I can't use them together. But yeah, this won't go to waste, so I will definitely try this out. But yeah, so that is everything we got in my Glossybox for the month of August. Yeah, I think it was relatively good value for this month. It's just a shame that I can't use this on any other month or with any other flavor. I would have been pretty impressed for the fact that I you know, for getting a product from Molten Brown. So that is, you know, quite impressive in itself. But it's just the scent I got isn't one that I would normally use. But yeah, apart from that, I think everything else is quite decent. I'm definitely going to try the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lip at some point, just to see how it applies. It looks pretty glossy, and it looks like a regular lip gloss actually. I just hope that it has some kind of stain power, but it applies like a completely what's the opposite of sheer? A completely like kind of full coverage lipstick rather than a demi matte lipstick, if you understand. Yeah, it just feels like a full coverage lip gloss, yeah, or lipstick that's shiny. But anywho, that's everything I got in my Glossybox. And then I'm just flipping through the little booklet that they sent, and it contains all the other products that they've launched from their skincare line. So they do have a deeply cleansing cream, a 3-in-1 rich moisturizer, a gentle foaming cleanser, purifying charcoal cleanser, night serum, exfoliating clay scrub, daily micellar gel cleanser, hydrating mist, 3-in-1 moisturizer, and eye boost cream, which is what we got, what I got in my box. And yeah, everything kind of ranges around £15 or £20 depending on what it is. So that's a bit too pricey for me to say I want to try it. But yeah, feel free to, if those sound like your kind of price points. But yeah, so that's everything I got. It's pretty decent, like I said. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know how you found your box and if you were impressed with what you got in yours. Until next time, stay blessed. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.